All right, 2.5.5. It wants all the elements, so I just did the page 20, proposition 2.7 protocol, the standard way I usually do it, with finding the magnitude, then the angle, then the x, then the s value. Here, the s value is equal to the x value, so it makes it easier, and then also the magnitude is 1, which makes it even easier. So when k is 0, we get a 45-degree angle, and here's the special triangle. Figured it out from there. And then using De Moivre's theorem, we just go to 90 degrees, and then we know all this already. It's special triangles and cosine 90, sine 90. So we know all of them. We get I, negative I, 1, 0, root 2 over 2, all the combinations of those. So finished it out, and I'm sure all you guys can start right here too if you really wanted to. So then I found the orders. So with this one, what I did is, you'll see like a little drawing right here, and the way I did it in my head was just said, okay, well, I want the order of root 2 over 2 plus I root 2 over 2, and so that is right there. And then using De Moivre's theorem, we can just add the angle. So that's squared. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So take it to the 8th power, and you get back to 1. So that's it. And we all know that I to the 4th power is 1, so the order is 4. And then I thought this one was kind of interesting here, where you get, here's that first element, here's that second element right here, here's that third element, and that's the one we're dealing with. So I'm going to draw all the elements here, and then in a different color I'll show you how, using De Moivre's theorem, just imagining it. So we start here, right? So we're going 1, 2, 3, and then we got to add the angle every time, right? So then we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. So we did that 8 times, and we got back to 0. And you could also just count 1, 2, 3, 8 red dots, right? So we can see it's 8. We'll do that one more time with this one right here, so you can see my little drawing. So 225, I'm going to draw them all. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get there. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can see that there's 8 dots. That took us 8 times around. 8 iterations of that. Or we took it to the 8th power in order to get back to 1. So we know the order is 8. We can do that same thing with negative I. So it's down here. And you'll see that we only end up there. Well, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got to count 6 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we're back at 1. And see, that took us a power of 4. All right. So we know that this is 4. All right. The order is 4. All right. I think that's about it. Okay. Found all the orders, found all the elements. All right.